Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2015 Keystone Montana Mountaineer 291 RLT triple slide luxury fifth wheel. Overall condition is excellent. I think any dealer would agree with me. Go ahead and get started by showing you the inside floor plan and then finish up this video by showing you the outside features and condition. Overall length is 34 feet 8 inches. Exterior length, overall height to the air conditioner is 12 feet 9 inches. And the dry weight or empty weight on this coach is 10,000. See if I can get that in there. UVW 10,840 pounds. See if you can get that on there. This is definitely not an entry-level fifth wheel. Definitely one of the most popular selling fifth wheels in the United States. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Okay, this is a triple slide. First slide out, it's going to be a super slide. It's going to be at least 12, maybe 14 foot long. And it's about 3 foot deep. Accommodates the theater seating, ultra leather recliner chair option. It's all in excellent condition. Color is going to be maybe a black or even a really dark brown. These are full reclining, and condition, inside out condition is excellent. You do have night shades all throughout. Kind of give you an idea of the window treatments here. Well, I've got a good light right here. Colors are going to be bronze, some dark browns, some silvers. Okay, you do have the freestanding table and chairs. And this extends out to make into a bigger table, and you do have storage up underneath the seats. Show off the fabric here. Again, excellent condition, non-smoker. Okay, second slide out, it's going to be your kitchen and entertainment center area. It's going to be definitely at least 10 foot long, maybe 12 foot long, and again 3 foot deep. Flat screen TVs, full pivoting. I believe it's going to be maybe 36-inch flat screen, and it is you can move it all around if you want that option. It does have the fireplace. So you do have electric heat, and your stereo is going to be home theater, stereo, DVD, CD, Bluetooth, MP3 ready. Zoom in, can I show you that? Okay, in your kitchen area here, 8 cubic foot, raised panel refrigerator. I believe the woodwork is going to be like a maple. This is a Dometic fridge, full automatic, just turn it on. A couple hours later you get a cold fridge, whether you're boondocking or hooked up to electric. Definitely like to show off these pantries. Huge pull-out pantry. And your stove is going to be oven and stove is stainless steel, 22-inch oven, largest that they offer in the industry. You do have a 3-burner gas cooktop. The front one's probably going to be a high output, stainless steel finish. You do have the Moen style solid surface countertops. Best countertops you're going to find in a fifth wheel. Can I show that off? Again, your stainless steel finish is even on your microwave. It's a Whirlpool microwave. So show that badge there, Whirlpool. Huge microwave. And you do have the center island kitchen. Again, solid surface Corning countertops. All your drawer fronts are all going to be solid wood. I believe that's going to be a brushed nickel finish. And you do have full-length metal ball bearing drawer guides. A lot of residential features on this coach. You do have a 110 outlet here. You do have a 110 outlet right there underneath the microwave. Little hutch area here. 110 outlet there. It's going to be a little bit of an etched glass look. Nice tinted glass. All your lights are going to be all LED recessed puck lights all throughout. And so I don't forget, point out the ceiling fan and your arch ceiling, more headroom, crowned roof for water runoff. I'll show you that when we get outside. Fantastic vent fans all over this coach. There's one right there. You also have one in the bathroom. All your ACs, ducted AC, ducted heat. 15,000 BTU AC unit in the living room here. And then you also have the optional, I believe it's going to be a 13,500 BTU AC unit up in the bedroom. Show off the master bedroom here. It's going to be your king bed, ultra plush mattress. It's going to be your third slide out. Third slide out is going to be 7 foot long and about 3 foot deep. Nice, beautiful ultra leather finish on your headboard. Again, recessed puck lights, LEDs, or reader lights. In the bed area, you do have a 110 outlet right there in case you want to plug in a sleep app machine or smart device. Another television here in the bedroom. I believe that's going to be maybe a 13-inch, and it comes out, pulls out, and pivots. Lots of storage space. 110 outlet there, 110 outlet there. Okay, your closet. It's going to be a huge closet, walk-in closet. Definitely one of the largest closets you're going to find in a fifth wheel. And you are 50 amp service and washer and dryer prepped. There's your washer and dryer prep area here if you wanted that option. Okay, nice wood pocket door here for privacy in the bedroom. I do want to point out you do have a 110 outlet here on the other side of the bed, so both sides of the bed you do have 110 outlets. Okay, you do have a full residential style one-piece shower with seating, so you don't have to worry about any caulking seams. Definitely a nice feature. Skylight, and again one piece, definitely nice, glass enclosed. Shower door. You have the private commode area, foot flush porcelain toilet. There's another fantastic vent fan, and there's a little remote here, right there, for the fantastic vent fan. Gets all the stuffy smells out. Nice medicine cabinet. Got pretty good lighting here. I'm going to show off that that wood plank flooring look all throughout the coach. It's kind of a stressed finish. It's going to be residential grade linoleum. Thermostat control right here operates your furnace and your AC. More storage here, closet space. I'm going to show off, here's another fantastic vent fan control, probably for the kitchen. Light switches. It's going to be your one button slide out. You just push this one button, it takes all your slides out and in. Easy to figure out. Here's your monitor control panel right here. Tells you where you are in your holding tanks I believe it's going to be the ceiling fan switch. This is going to be your off-door security light or floodlight and door side floodlight. And you do have your buttons for your awnings, and porch light, will turn that on. Ceiling light and your water pump, easy to figure out. And this is the switch for your 12-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip the switch on, 15 minutes later you've got hot water. Speed this video up, trying to keep my videos under at least under 18 minutes. This is pretty much a full Four Seasons camper. I believe this is rated at 0 degrees. They used to call it a polar package, but it's definitely fully enclosed heated underbelly. Your cargo area or your garage area is heated, ducted heat, and I'll show you that. Beautiful front molded fiberglass cap. It is painted and gel coated. Easy to clean. Show that off there. Your exterior fiberglass finish is going to be a high gloss fiberglass finish. I believe it's going to be the pearl color. The pigment color is bled all the way through, so if for some reason you scratch it, it'll stay that color. It kind of looks like a full body paint. Definitely a nice feature that they offered on the Mountaineer edition. Beautiful 16-foot power awning, fully adjustable with the LED lights. All the LEDs are working. You have the beautiful frameless bus style windows. Tinted windows, I believe that's 80% tint, protects from UV ray damage. All your decals are in excellent condition. Kind of shoot down the side there, show off that high gloss finish, show off those decals. This coach has been stored in the storage area here, so it's pretty much protected from the elements. Alright, this is going to be your 30-pound LP tank area here. Got another one on the other side that I'll show you. Full insulated slam latch baggage doors with gas struts. Definitely a nice feature. One of the largest garage you're going to find in this class of fifth wheel. There's your fully enclosed, your aluminum framing all throughout. Pretty much full aluminum frame construction, and I do believe on the Mountaineer line in 15 they were still offering the 5-inch steel truss roof rafters. So you basically have the strongest roof in the industry, and again, it's heated. There's your forced heat into the garage area. Cable, satellite ready. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. You do have full power front jacks, and you do have the power electric jacks on the rear that I'll try to show you. Oh, this door is on a strut, so if the wind's blowing, it's not slamming back and forth. That's definitely a nice feature. 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You do have the Dexter axles. This does have the CRE 3000 more ride suspension system for a smoother ride. Kind of show that off there. There's that CRE 3000 badge. Definitely one of the best suspensions you're going to find on a fifth wheel. Beautiful wheels. You do have the correct track trailer alignment system, so you're driving true down the road. And speed this up. Exterior speakers on the outside. Back up here, kind of show you that scheme. Beautiful fifth wheel. Owner just put on some Max Air vent covers, some new ones. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on steel truss roof system. Crowned roof, so you get better runoff from rain, snow, whatever. The owner did upgrade to this hitch receiver. It was done at Duke's. It was done professionally, but anyway, if you want to put something on the back here, I'm not sure what he towed, but it definitely, you've got probably one of the heaviest duty hitches you're going to find on a Montana Mountaineer. 50 amp service. There's your 50 amp power cord, marine style plug. Unplug it, roll it up and stow it away. Back up here, kind of show off that back side. That pearl color really does make it look like a full body paint coach. Beautiful frameless tinted bus style windows. Show off that Montana Mountaineer badge right there. I did check this coach for stress cracks around the slide outs. I checked for delamination, did not find any issues. Here's your service panel for your 12-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Your furnace exhaust here, I believe it's maybe 35,000, maybe 4,000 BTU, 40,000 BTU furnace. There's your hookup right here. Look at that. No rust on that frame. Enclosed heated underbelly. And show your Waterworks hookup system here. Here's a nice service light, outside shower, cable hookup. Easy to winterize right here. You do have the, let's see here, speed this up. You do have the freshwater holding tank fill, 66-gallon freshwater holding tank, city water hookup, black tank sewer flush, rinses out your toilet tank. Oh, battery disconnect, save you on your battery. Here's all your low point drains, all protected and in the heated compartment area. There's your dump valves or gate valves, all protected in this heated enclosed heated compartment area. This is a Four Seasons camper if you wanted to go into extreme weather. Another 30-pound LP tank, and this is going to be door closed. It's going to be your switch for your power jacks on the front and rear. Okay, I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. I'm trying to rush this video because we've got some clouds coming in. If you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.